And I want to show you how these things work. I actually took them out and already looked at them, and they come in this nice, you know, I like a package with a good little cinch ball right there. And then you open it up, and here's all of your cables. I want y'all to check out how this thing works. So these would be great for tarps. So if you got a tarp and you're gonna go over, you're gonna lock onto right there. And then what I like, it's an adjustable bungee cord. Now, having an adjustable bungee cord is very handy, everybody. I've got different sizes. You can't pull it all the way out. So what it does, if you just wanna keep it the way it is, you just pull it down like that. Now you just have like a bungee cord. It's got like a little D-clip on the back, and it locks down like that. Let me go ahead, hook up a bungee on the actual tarp that I have outside, and I'll show you how these things work, because that's what you're going to use it for the most when I'm hauling garbage and I just need a tarp over the top of the garbage. I want to hook in and do that. So let's hook it up to a tarp now. Okay, so I have something covered up over here with a tarp, and I'm just going to kind of show y'all and demonstrate how well this works. So every tarp has some sort of hook on it, just like this. So you'd be able to hook this in there just like that. I like that. And then take this ring right here, and let's say I've got like, see how I like that over there? Come up here, and then where can we hook it? Right down in there. Check that out. So you see how what I did, I can hook it right here. So I'm just simulating for you guys how you would hook it to a tarp. I can hook it that way. Now, obviously, I can go the other way around. Actually, I don't think this is, I think this might be too wide for these smaller tarps. This is an 8x10 tarp, and I have some bikes covered up right here, and then I can stretch these and pull them locked into place. Now, that ain't going anywhere, everybody. These things are actually very high quality. I'm impressed by these. Very innovative little design on how to lock into a tarp and move things around. This is something I'm going to be using amongst my travels, whether, like I said, whether I'm tarping up some trailer on the back of my truck or something like that where I need to haul off some garbage, or just traveling around and I need to tarp something down and use a little bit of bungees for it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the adjustable tarp bungees. See y'all in the next video.